Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMZN, Amazon. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, with another week in the books, want to get some things updated here. And a relatively important technical level was broken, and it's also going to play a role in today's analysis. But right here at the 31, we'll call it 45-ish area, you can see that through the history of the chart, acted as support. And then even this morning, support, and then ultimately the bears were just too strong, and when the price did push down through that level, a big plunge to the downside occurred. But to give credit where credit's due, the price did go sideways here a little bit, but that is still where this level is going to play a big role in next week, and this rule just comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So if there is going to be any sort of attempted bounce to the upside, 31.45 is going to be that first key, battleground that the price is going to need to push through. So, I mean, if you're going to use the terminology such as reversal or anything of that nature, well, let's first just see if the price can even break above 31.45 and maintain above it. If the price can do that, then at that point, the next key level of resistance to watch closely would be that purple line up there, which on my chart denotes the 50-period moving average. So you also want to watch that, but don't get too far ahead of yourselves. Let's just first see, like I said, if the price can at least break above 31.45. As far as areas of support are concerned, I'm going to squeeze this down here to offer up a bit more context here. But you can see it's been quite a while since the price has been down this low. But the first key area of support is going to be right up here around the 30.90 mark. So 30.90, which has a whole lot of history. You can see that was a resistance point, and then it turned out to be the gap area where the price came down there, basically closed the gap, and then once again, bounced off that level. So again, a lot of people will be watching that area. So 30.90, the very important level of support moving forward. But keep your eye on those few technical levels, and let's see how this one plays out next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.